down Salina.
Okay, thanks, Clark. The National Weather Service in Wichita is saying that the storm is going to cross I-70 near mile marker 245. They're saying at this point the storm is still showing rotation, but no tornado is being reported at this time. But nevertheless, persons driving on I-70 need to be extremely careful and turn around if you need to. So that's the situation. Still have the tornado warning for until 6 o'clock, at least for Saline County. Todd?
So again, even if there's not a tornado right now, again, tough to tell with the rain that's coming down right now. Even if there is not a tornado dropping down right now, this storm, with the rotation that's in it, has the capability of dropping a tornado at any time. So that's why you should go to your tornado shelter right now as we speak.